Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd bust out a warmer reviews really quick. I have a huge cleaning day ahead of me, so I kind of need to get rolling on that before I lose motivation altogether. You know how that is. Like you think you're going to do something and then like you just kind of lose motivation and yep, it's over. Okay, so really quick, so you don't see Bandit walking back and forth here. He has been having accidents like every day. So basically what we've had to do, I can't really, like I don't know if I can pan around and you guys can see there's a baby gate over there. So we had to put up a baby gate just so that when like he's gonna have an accident, he has it on the tile, because like literally I was having to pull out the steam vac every day. I'd get so disgusted by it. Like I'm not by him, like I know he can't control it and he's old and stuff, but it's just disgusting. He surprisingly can still hold his bladder, which is like, I guess if I had to choose between two things to have to clean up, I guess I would rather have something not liquid. That's disgusting. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking about this, but anyways, I just wanted to throw out there. That's why you guys don't see him, because most of the time he's sleeping. He sleeps like he's been waking up at like midnight or 1 in the morning and having like barking, and so we've just had to like kind of like cut off some parts of the house so he's been like getting into trouble more. I don't know what's going on. Like he's kind of reverting to kind of like a puppy again. I don't know if you guys have any like had any elderly pets at some point. Did they ever revert back to like puppy things? Like he'll get into things and start chewing. He likes to get in the cat box. So just having this part of the house sealed off is better because he stays out of the cat box. I don't want him eating the cat box anyways because that's just not good for him. And we do have it turned around so he can't get into it easily. Like he literally has to like go around, like squeeze in between the wall and go to the front. That's like we've got it directed towards the back of the wall. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It's whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start out with lemon cheesecake from the Bathing Garden. I did not love this one. This is cheesecake swirled with tart lemon. I would have loved to have the cheesecake be a little bit stronger. This lemon was a little bit too tart for me, and it almost came off as kind of like a cleaner lemon. You know, it just had that tart scent to it that was just a little too much. Smelled a little like a cleaner lemon, so I wasn't like loving that. I wish the cheesecake was kind of had softened it down a little bit more, but it does say tart lemon, but it just wasn't my favorite lemon. I did Emmett, which is from the Twilight's Super Tarts. This is woodsy pine and strawberry juice. I love her strawberry juice scent. I wish she would use like this strawberry in more of her strawberry blends, because I don't typically love some of her strawberry. This one was rather strong though. When I put it in, I could have probably cut back a little bit. And I'll probably do that next time. But it was a really pretty scent. If you like pine and like strawberry scent, I would definitely try this. This is not one of her scary strawberries, as I like to say. Oh, this one. Okay, I should have looked up the scent description. Can I still look it up? I might. The Olive Lemon Grove. Oh my goodness gracious. This was freaking, this is probably one of my favorites. I'm pretty sure this is olive branch, and I'm pretty sure that there's lemon curd in here, because I'm pretty sure I was getting like a lemon curd type scent. It wasn't like super strong, but I feel like the olive branch and lemon go together so good. Like this scent was like perfection. I was like literally like sniffing the air every time I walked in. Oh my gosh, I wish I had more of this. I want to say that Sasha had talked about this one, and maybe that's what kind of like opened my eyes up to this one. Or I saw her haul it and I was like, I need olive branch in my life because I love the scent of olive branch. But mixed with lemon, oh, I need to look up scent notes on that one because I honestly don't remember what was in there. But I feel like from what I could tell from my nose, it was olive branch and then like a lemon curd. But it wasn't like a strong lemon curd. Like I mostly smell olive branch, but the lemon curd on top was perfection. Like that was perfection, and I got a good strong throw. Same with these other two here, Emmett and lemon cheesecake, both strong throwers. This one is always a strong throw. I need to always remember to like cut back on this one because I always get like busted out of the house with this one. Big Top Lemonade. This is like a, oh, okay, this is sugary tart lemonade layered with bright pink lemonade. So it's lemonades. And I just like this one because it smells like a true lemonade. And the pink lemonade in there is nice. It makes it just a little bit different. I love that one. Take Me to the Sea. This has always been a favorite. So this has lemon, grapefruit, and some sea, well, of course, sea, like ocean air type scents to it. I love this one because of the addition of the lemon and the grapefruit. I think it gives it like a little pop of something different. I like this one a lot. I wish I had a second one of this. Every time I warm it, I'm like, oh, I wish I had a second one. Maybe I do have a second one. I never know. But this one, like, don't be afraid of the lemon and the grapefruit. It just adds a nice little, like a nice little touch to the scent. I wish they'd make like a cleaner in that. I would be all over that if they ever did a cleaner for that. So the one you guys know, I love VCS Violet. So this is Violet and Nilla Wafers, I think. I should know the scent by now. The scent notes, but this one has always been a strong throw for me. You have to kind of like the floral notes a little bit, but this is mostly like a sweet, it's like a bakery violet. I just have always liked this one. Sometimes it does, like, I feel like it's strong, so sometimes I feel like you do need to back off the scent a little bit, or it could be headache inducing, but overall I really like that one. I have one little coin left in this guy. This is Super Moon. I don't know why I just didn't finish it. The first time I warmed it, I don't think I liked it, but the second go, it seemed to be a little bit less in strength, so it seemed to like be a little bit more tolerable. This is funnel cake, cinnamon sugar donuts, marshmallow, blackberry jam, whipped cream. I think the funnel cake is what I didn't like, but I didn't get funnel cake that bad this time. Yeah, smelling the last little rose I have in there, it's not my favorite, but I don't hate it either, so there's that. It's just not one I would repurchase. This one was great. Fezziwigs. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Christmas Party. And this is Blue Spruce, Balsam Fir, Warm Spices Cedar. This one was really pretty. I was amazed at how much I actually really liked this one. So I warmed this one during Christmas. This is how, like, I mean, like, it literally took me probably November, December, January to get just through these melts. That's how much my warming has slowed down. I've been trying to pick up the pace a little bit more recently, so this is just so good. I don't really know. Like, I warmed this at Christmas time, so I can't really remember, but it's just kind of a warm and inviting Christmas scent. It's a little different than like your normal, you know, like your pines and balsam type scents. It's a little different. I like that. I did finish Jackie O's Cup of Joe, and this one I did in the morning times, and this one was good. Cafe Cubano, marshmallow, birthday cake, vanilla bean Noel. It was just like a sweet coffee scent. Not much to say about that one. I don't love that one, and I don't hate it either. It was just nice. This one I really loved. This one was Picture Window Tree. This one, I don't know. I need another one, really. I need to look and see if I have another one. Warm Mittens, Melting Snow, Crisp Mistletoe, and Musky Woods. I don't feel like I got that from this. I feel like this was it was a clean kind of laundry, but a soft laundry. I don't know. I need to warm this one again. I just remember that I really liked this one, and I remember melting it, and I remember thinking, I need more of this. This is from 2017, October. So, yeah. But I warmed this, like, this is probably the first thing I warmed after my last scent picks, which was probably in, like, November, maybe December. I don't know. This one from Super Tarts is Nutcracker, and this is Yognog, Hazelnut Christmas cookies, and whipped cream cappuccino. Now this one was interesting. I didn't know if I would like it or not. I actually kind of did like it a little bit, not enough to reorder it, but it was fine for one go. This one is really interesting. I don't think I've had Yognog yet from Lush. I think that's one that I've, like, has never really interested me, or I don't know. I'm not really 100% sure what Yognog is or what it smells like. But to me, this is like a nutty coffee. And then it kind of has like a, it's very sharp, like it definitely, like the nut scent is sharp. It's not my favorite, but I didn't hate it either. It was just kind of an interesting take on like a nutty coffee type scent, which nutty coffee to me sounds really good, like a hazelnut coffee, but it's different than that. It's not, if you like coffee, like I wouldn't necessarily like gravitate to this one and think, oh, coffee. It's not that at all. It's just like, it's different. But you could kind of get little hints of the coffee in there, and then the nuttiness overall. I don't know what's up with this one. I've always liked Family Stone, cinnamon glazed vanilla beans. This one was weird to me. I don't know. I might need to warm it again. It had like a weird scent note coming out. I only warmed 3 cubes, not all in one warmer. But yeah, I need to try this one again because it was strange. So I'll come back and do like a when it's empty and redo it. But that one was weird. I remember always liking Family Stone, but maybe it changed or turned on me or something. Dancing Elephants has always been a favorite for me from the Bathing Garden, but I probably won't reorder this one again. I'm kind of over it. I like her Raspberry Rose Sugar Glaze scents. I think those always give like a little bit of sweetness, but this is Blue Cotton Candy Cake Pops topped with Raspberry Rose Sugar Glaze, and this one was fine. Like, it's pretty, but it wasn't, I remember warming it, and I remember thinking I had put in her Circus concession one, which is in here. My empties, Clowning Around is her Circus concession, and I thought it was that one, and I was like, what am I thinking? I'm like, that's not even close. So it didn't make much of an impression on me like it usually does. But I mean, this is a great one if you're new to the Bathing Garden and you like sweeter type scents. So Clowning Around, this one is really strong. I always love this one. I always order it when it comes around. Of course, I won't be ordering it this time because, you know, I'm kind of on a not buying thing right now. This is Salty and Sweet Popcorn 7-layer cake with blue cotton candy and toffee dipped apples. This is a great Circus concession. I don't smell any funnel cakes in here, which kind of ruins Circus concession for me when people put funnel cakes in there. Oh, this one is just, you smell the salty and sweet popcorn. You get the sweetness. You can smell the caramel apples. Well, it's toffee dipped apples, but if you like Circus concession scents, this is one for you that you definitely have to try. It's like one of my favorite Circus concessions ever. So these next two are kind of along the same line, and I don't have the scent description for one of them, but Frozen Hot Chocolate. This one is great. This one's really strong. It's like a peppermint mocha to me. Frozen Hot Chocolate, hot cocoa with marshmallow and mint. So it smells like a, yeah, it smells like a peppermint mocha to me. Or a peppermint hot chocolate, either one. Just so good. Just you get that minty smell for sure, and you get the chocolate, but it's not like a deep dark chocolate or anything. It's like a smooth chocolate. And then Candy Cane Forest, I'm not sure what the scent notes are on this one, but I think it's very similar to Frozen Hot Chocolate because it's minty. Yeah, this one smells very similar. It has more of this softer peppermint though, like the peppermint stands out to me more. This is another one that I really like, and the chocolate is really soft in this one as well. This is a great one, Candy Cane Forest. I have another Rose Girls that's similar to Candy Cane Forest. It was like peppermint something. I might have de-stashed that one because I didn't love it as much as this one, but this one is a winner for me. And I got pretty much a strong throw from, I don't think there's anything that was duds, really, except for the Family Stone was weird. I don't know what was up with that one, but everything else, they're really strong. My Bathing Garden did really well. I know there was a while where some of us weren't ordering from the Bathing Garden because of the scent throw, but Central Park Snow Globe, this one kept getting warmed in the bathroom. I just always threw it in the bathroom just because it warmed in the bathroom so good. Like you would walk in the bathroom and immediately you would get hit with the peppermint of this. So this is Peppermint Cream Noel. This is just a great peppermint scent. It's like a sweetened peppermint. I love it mixed with the Vanilla Bean Noel. I'll probably just continue using this in the bathroom because it just does so good. So yeah, but I have a huge bag of it, so it's going to take me a long time to get through this, but maybe I can finish it up before winter is over. So yeah, okay. So that is it. That is my warmed for the last 3 months, which as you can see is why I have slowed my buying down for sure. Like I have not purchased from anyone. And yeah, I just need to start warming and not buying for a while. So I probably will at some point buy like my favorite super tart scents and do like a favorites video. And then I think I have most of my favorites from VCS. And then I also want to get some more Zen Garden from Hayden Row. I love the Zen Garden, so I might have to go check that out. Okay, that is it, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me throughout kind of like my weird transitioning of weird videos. Not weird videos, but just trying some different videos out and stuff. So, okay, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any favorites here, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye guys.